Good morning to all of you. Welcome to my economics project work. My name is Neeraj Kumar. I read in standard 11th B. My subject teacher is Vinu Munacha ma'am. The topic of project is solar energy, a cost effective comparison with conventional source of energy. I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my teacher who grant me for the golden opportunity to do this wonderful digital project work, which also helped me in doing a lot of research, and I came to know about so many things. I am really thankful for them. I am making this project not only for marks but for the increasing of my knowledge. The content are: what is solar energy, uses of solar energy, advantages and disadvantages of solar energy, how to produce solar energy, what is conventional energy, advantages and disadvantages of conventional energy, comparison and conclusion. First, solar energy. What is solar energy? Solar energy is the conversion of energy from sunlight into electricity. It is the largest source of energy received on Earth, but its intensity on the Earth's surface is quite low. It is ultimate energy source. Next, uses of solar energy. It is uses in heating of water, heating of houses, distillation of water, cooking of food, greenhouse heating, drying of food, power generation, etc. Next, solar power in India. This image is derived solar power in India. In this image, solar power should be generated in 100 megawatt per second. Next, advantages of solar energy. It is renewable source of energy. It is pollution free. It's no created pollution. Solar power system can produce electricity for 24 or more years. Solar photovoltaic system have been around for a long time of period. Next, disadvantages of solar energy. Sun does not shine consistently. Second, solar energy a diffuse source. To harness it, we must concentrate it into an amount and form that we can use, such as heat and electricity. In absence of sunlight, electricity should not be generated. Next, how solar cell works. Solar panel convert the sunlight into usable solar energy using N-type and P-type semiconductor material. When sunlight is absorbed by this material, the solar energy knock electrons loose from their atoms, allowing the electron to flow through the material to produce electricity. This process of converting lighting photons to electricity voltage is called the photovoltaic effect. This image shows the how to generate sun from electricity. Next, conventional source of energy and their depletion. What are conventional source of energy? A conventional source of energy is naturally resource which can be produced, grown, generated or use a scale which can sustain its consumption rate. Once depleted, there is no more available for future needs. It is obtained by the remain of plant and animal which are buried under the earth with the heat and pressure. Example: fossil fuel, coal, etc. Next, advantages of conventional energy source. Conventional energy source are proven technologies which can be provide energy regardless of the weather condition, unlike solar and wind power which may go for days without being able to produce sustainable amount of power. Currently, the financial costs are much lower than alternative energy source. Next, disadvantages of conventional energy source. It's create pollution. Second, it is not renewable, means not used time and again. From these energy sources, many climatic changes are occur. Example: global warming, climate change. It causes acid rain, etc. Next, the comparison of solar energy sources with conventional source of energy. Solar energy sources are no create pollution, whereas conventional energy creates more pollution. Second, solar energy is cheaper than conventional energy source. Solar energy are renewable, but conventional energy source are not renewable. Solar energy source are not scarce, but conventional energy source are scarce. For the regenerate of solar energy, it's take no time, but for conventional energy source, it's taken millions of time. So that's why solar energy a cost effective comparison with conventional source of energy. Next conclusion, the key to successful solar energy installation is to use quality components that have long lifetime and require minimal maintenance. The future is bright for continued PV technology dissemination. I hope this economic project is well or good. Thank you.